Standard 3rd subject computer. Here I am my teacher greeting to all my dear students. Topic Tux Paint. Children, we have completed MS Paint before this lecture. Now today we are going to learn about Tux Paint. Do you know, children, what is a Tux Paint? Introduction to Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a award-winning free software for children with many interesting features. Children have many features in a Tux Paint. First one, Tux Paint is a free software. Tux Paint has a drawing mascot which helps you to know more about it. A variety of tools help the children to create beautiful designs. We can add personalized stamps to our drawing once we finish it. Funny sounds effects are also played when we select any tools. How to open Tux Paint? Children, when we are learn MS Paint, where we have opened that program, think, yes, correct. Select the start menu, all program, then MS Paint we have select. Here we have going to select Tux Paint. Tux Paint window. When we start the Tux Paint, starter is like a page from a coloring book with a black and white outline of a picture and with different background colors. You can see on the screen. When it is open, the screen will open as like this. Use the stamp tool and magic tool in the Tux Paint. This is the main feature of Tux Paint. Children, we can use stamp tool and magic tool. You can see on the picture tools on the left side and brushes as a right side. When we want to draw anything, we have to use tools and we have to color with a different size of brush. And downside you can see here color palette is there. When we have to select any color to fill, then color will be appear. Using the stamp tool. The stamp tool is a similar to sticker or rubber stamp. It has built-in drawings of different objects such as animals, vehicles, plants, flowers, and so on. You can see on the screen the picture has given of the Tux Paint window and stamp tool. In that different pictures are there. You can use as a stamp tool. Student, you can see on the screen practical base teacher has select pattern, brush shapes. With the help of different size of brush or design, teacher has draw the triangle and design of star. With the help of line, teacher has select lines from the toolbox. Even teacher has select the color and size of brushes. We can draw the beautiful pattern by using pen tool. Children, even we can draw the line tool. Yes, we have seen in the practical. Line tool is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. Paint tool. Children, we have learned paint tool in the MS Paint also. Same paint tool it is in the Tux Paint. It is used to paint and draw anything you like. It is similar to brush tool in a MS Paint. You can see with the help of pen tool, teacher has drawn something that is house. Yes. Even we have draw the house in a MS Paint also. Sub toolbox. The sub toolbox is a unique feature of TuxPen. For every tool in the TuxPen, we have many options of brush shapes, special effects in sub toolbox. You can see on the screen. Here tools is given and many different shapes and special effect given in the brushes. Hazy brush shapes. Student, you can see in the practical way, teacher has select the paint and hazy brush shapes. It is a different from other brush. Look like a blur. Yes, it is hazy appearance. We can use it draw objects that are far away. Magic tool. Magic tool we have seen in the TuxPaint only. The most special feature of TuxPaint is the magic tool. It gives amazing effect to drawing. You can see with the help of practical, teacher has selected the magic tool. The pointer will be changed to change magic. Now apply some magical effect to drawing. Click and drag the large bricks. This is one of the magical effect. Teacher has shown how to give the color directly with the help of magic tool to complete the house. Yes. And here the penguin has helping to us with the help of dialog box. Below the color palette, the dialog box appear. Click and drag the large bricks. Bricks magic. From the magic tool, here brick magic is one of the magic tool. It fills the bricks effect into the picture. With the help of the practical, student draw a house using line. With the help of line, you can draw a house and apply brick effect. Bricks effect you can take from the magic tool and complete the coloring. Blur magic. As we have completed coloring to the part of picture, after that blur magic, how to use blur magic, one of the sub tool from the magic tool. Children, we are using the blur magic to the coloring part. This sub tool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied. You can see on the screen, teacher has shown the practical. Teacher select the magic from the magic tool, blur, and teacher has given the blur effect on the bricks. Fill tool. This is one of the option we have seen in the MS Paint also. Student, have you remember? We have filled the color with the help of fill tool, that is bucket in MS Paint. In the TuxPaint, we have choose fill tool from the tool. Here select the magic tool, select the fill tool and choose the color palette. Bring the magic wand over the area you want to color and click on it. When we have select the fill option from the tool, then color will be appear and brushes has disappear. Flower tool. This is one of the magic tool from the TuxPen. Here you can see in the practical. You can select flower tool from the magic tool. Click the flower tool. Select the color which one you like from the palette. Now keep clicking on the canvas where you want to put flowers. Saving your drawing. In TuxPen, you can see on the picture one dialog is there. Save over the older version of this drawing. That means it is saving picture. You can say yes, then it is saved automatically. This you said no, then save a new file like that. Same here, the TuxPen provide an easy method to save work. There is no need to mention any file name as your file gets saved as a thumbnails. This is practical. Draw any picture and use stamp tool and tools. Children, teacher has shown one of the practical. Teacher has complete picture of bus and she has shown the stamp and color the picture. Use different shape. With the help of color palette, teacher give color to the bus.